CVS Health is also hiring for the Contact Center Service Advocate 1 role, and this position is an entry-level role. It's both remote and hybrid out of this location or Charlotte. In the following responsibilities: appointment scheduling, customer interaction, data entry, communication. So, communicate appointment details and any necessary instructions to patients clearly and effectively. Problem resolution, collaboration. You'll work closely with medical staff and other departments to ensure smooth scheduling operations. And follow up. So, conduct follow up calls to confirm appointments and provide reminders to patients. Documentation. Maintain accurate records of all interactions and transactions with patients. The schedule is 40 hours per week, and the Service Excellence Contact Center is open 24/7. Some schedules may include one weekend shift. Prior remote work experience is required, as well as these requirements in terms of tech and your abilities. A distraction-free and private remote work environment required, as well as reliable, dependent care during working hours. And then there's also opportunity for growth in terms of career development. And they're looking for someone with a high school diploma or equivalent, and that is required. Some undergraduate education is preferred, and 1 year of customer service experience, call center environment experience preferred. And they offer full health and wellness benefits, as well as paid vacation, sick time, and investment retirement 401k match options, as well as leadership development and continuing education stipends, which is excellent. And if you're looking for support in your dream job search, we'd be happy to help you. Take a look at the link in the bio.